Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent the same number or are equal to one another. How many 1/4 pieces fit in the 1/2 piece? Can you write the answer as a fraction? Well, let's just drag this over. Let's see, 1, and then we can fit another one. If we turn it upside down, like that. So you can see that 2 of these fit inside one 1/2 piece. So 2 1/4 pieces fit into the 1/2 piece. So 2 1/4 pieces would be written as 2/4. How many 1/6 pieces fit in the 1/2 piece? Can you write it as a fraction? All right, so 1, 2, 3. 3/6. So you can see that 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. How many 1/6 pieces fit in a 1/3? All right, let's drag this over. We have 1, 2. 2 of them fit. We show equivalence by writing both fractions with an equal sign. So, how many 1/6 pieces did it take to cover the 1/3 piece? 2 of them. So 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3. And there you go. The fraction bars below are equivalent because they are the same size. What do you notice about the denominators in each set of equivalent fractions? So here we see 1/2. So 1/4 and 1/4, there's 2 of those. 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, there's 3 of those. 4 1/8, 5 1/10, and 6 1/12. And you can see that the denominators are all even numbers that go up by 2. Here we have 1/3. So we have 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 1/3 is made up of 1/6 and 1/6, so 2 of those. Then we have denominator of 9, and there's 3 of those, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9. And then if we go up by 3 again, 9 to 12, we have 4 of those, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, and 1/12. What do you notice about the denominators in each set of equivalent fractions? Well, they're going up by 3 each time. To create equivalent fractions, you can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So 2/4, multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3, and we get 6/12, which is equivalent to 2/4. Can you think of another way to find an equivalent fraction that has a smaller numerator and denominator? You can also divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number to find an equivalent fraction. So if we have 6/21, if we divide 6 by 3 and divide 21 by 3, we get 2/7. Click on the star to practice finding equivalent fractions.